Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be making some glitter lip oils. I'll be using a glass lip oil container, a pipette, a spoon, a little container from the 99 cent store, the glitters from Amazon, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, and grapeseed oil. So I have never made only one container of lip oil, so I wasn't sure about the measurements, but after I made the second one, I realized that you have to get at least 2 drops. The pipette has numbers on it, so you want to do each of these with 20. These pipettes can be found on my website, and I believe it's $5 for about 15 of them, so you guys can go check that out. I forgot to mention the flavoring in this video, but I did use the watermelon flavor from Get Suckered, and I'm just going to be mixing all of that together. Now I'm going to be placing the glitter in the tube, and I do use a spoon. These butterflies can also be found on my website, and I'm only going to be putting a little as well. Your lip oil container should come with a funnel, but if it don't, then you can also pour it in like that. I'm used to doing it, so it was no problem for me, but if it is a problem for you, you should probably use the funnel. Like I stated before, I wasn't sure about the measurements, so I went ahead and added some more oil to the mixture, and then I just shook it up. Now I'm just going to be shaking that up, and there you go. You have your lip oils, and this is not available on my website. It's only available for wholesale purchase, so if you are interested, just email me and we can get that going. This is the lip oil. This is what it looks like, and this is how it looks on my lips. Someone had asked me if the glitter come up on your lips when using the lip oil. There's your answer. It does not come up on your lips. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.